Okay, this might be part 2 here. If I can't figure out how to splice this to the previous video, but basically we are looking to open this up to get these wires out so that we can drill a smaller hole or use a hole that's already in the vehicle here. This is a 1975 VW bus Westfalia, putting in a 2 kilowatt diesel heater hiding down here under the front seat. So we need to get to the fuel pump, which is pretty much right below, maybe a few inches forward of where we are, to keep it away from the exhaust. But figured I'd do a quick video on how to open these things up. So basically you're just going to pop this open here. I need one of these small jeweler screwdrivers, but I guess I'll show it already opened up here. This is just clipped in here. Doesn't really do a whole heck of a lot, and it's not sealed like you would see on a new car terminal. So very good sealing in here, but absolutely no sealing at all back here. So this will definitely get corroded if it's not packed with silicone or something like that. So, with that said, what you're going to need is either a special tool like Lyle would sell on Amazon. It would open these up, or you can use a couple of very tiny drill bits, which you can get at Harbor Freight, or probably Amazon, like everything else, including these diesel heaters. So basically you're going to release this. You can hear that click in there. One there. One there. You can see them in there, and it just pops right out. So once again, reason for doing this is now I can just take the other one out. Obviously write down that the one with the blue stripe somewhere on here, so you can see that in the video. This one does have a blue stripe, I believe. There it is. The other one definitely has a yellow stripe that goes on the right in comparison to the clip on the top there. But basically now I can drill a tiny hole, or just go through the hole that's already for the electrical under the front dash. A whole lot easier than drilling a monstrous hole. Anyway, I hope that helps with the wiring of the Chinese diesel heater. Thanks.